Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you a useful tip for Botim users who want to manage their calls more effectively. Many people experience interruptions when a second call comes in. We will guide you on how to disable the second call. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Next, in the profile menu, find and click on the option labeled Chat and Call. After that, scroll down the settings until you locate the Allow Second Call option. Finally, turn off the Allow Second Call feature to ensure that incoming calls will not interrupt your current conversations. By following these steps, you can enjoy uninterrupted calls on Botim and prevent any unexpected interruptions from additional incoming calls. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who might benefit from it.